This tutorial will help you find quantitative articles in CINAHL. So once you have navigated to CINAHL, you'll notice that you have 3 search boxes, and there is a word in between the boxes called AND. If you click the down arrow, you'll have OR and NOT. So what this does is connect the different terms in each box together in order to create your search. So what you'll do is in the top search box, you're going to add a broad search term such as asthma, heart failure, cancer, or similar broad terms. So for now, I'm going to type in heart failure, and I'm going to enclose heart failure in quotes. Now notice there are a number of terms that are coming up as you're typing. These are terms that are similar to heart failure. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that as well because these will help broaden my search out better. In the second search box, I'm going to put a more narrow term. So you're going to want to put like an intervention, a treatment, or some other aspect of that disease that you want to study. Maybe you're interested in medication adherence, exercise, coping, IV therapy, any of those. So for now, I'm going to put medication adherence. And notice again, you have a string of synonyms that are popping up on your screen. So go ahead and select those. Then on the third one, you're going to put in your quantitative search terms. So I'm going to put quantitative, and I'm going to connect quantitative with OR. Now notice, again, you have a lot of search terms coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to go through these search terms and make sure these are all terms that I am happy with. So far, so good. Let's go to the second one. Non-adherence or non-compliance, yes. And then if you notice, quantitative, experimental, or descriptive, correlational, quasi-experimental, clinical trial, randomized controlled trial, validity, intervention, t-test, or ANOVA. Those are all good terms. So then I'm going to go, you see this little down arrow here. You'll click the down arrow and select all text for each of these. Okay. Now, once you have that set, you can go down to the box below and add some limiters. See where it says limit your results. So we want research studies, right? So we're going to click references available, abstract available. We want English language, so I'm going to click on that one. We want research within the last 5 years, so I'm going to go 2014 to 2019 because it's currently 2019. We want peer-reviewed, so click on peer-reviewed. You want a research article, so click on that. Now, if you're needing a article that is authored by a nurse, any of the authors is a nurse or affiliated, go ahead and click on that box. I'm not going to do that for this case, but you may have some cases where that is necessary. Then you'll look and make sure that you've got all the limiters applied that you want to look at. So here's a journal subset, so you can go through these and look and see. We want nursing. If you just want US, you would click that. You want a publication type, so you want research. And then you can either select inpatient or outpatient. There is a limiter for PDF full text. I advise you not to use that as it will exclude other relevant research full text comes in different formats other than PDF, so leave that blank. Now, once I'm sure I have all the limiters that I want, I'm going to go ahead and click on search. And just like that, I have 60 articles, which is really great for this topic, because the topic of heart failure will return hundreds of thousands of results. So now I'm going to screen these articles and just see how relevant they are to what I'm wanting to know. If you need to add some more filters, you can do that by clicking on any of these topics on the left. So if you click the major heading, self-care, outcomes, cardiac patients. So there's a lot of different ways you can reduce this further. You can reduce it by English, age, gender, geography. So I only want, let's say I only wanted United States. So now I've reduced it down to 21. So that's how you find quantitative articles in CINAHL. It's the easiest way that I've found to get to what you need in a hurry. If you need help with this process, please contact the nursing librarians. The email address is nursinglibrarians@uta.edu. Thank you.